recently, government has announced a budget aiming for making India a developed nation by the year 1947. But what did it really mean for a young nation like India, which officially became a republic on 26 January 1950? India then had just broken free from 200 years old of colonial rule, now had to script its own destiny. And oh boy, what a journey it has been. From launching our own satellites to winning the Cricket World Cup, from economic reforms to Chandrayaan's historic landing on moon, India has come a long way. But do you know which milestone shaped India into what it is today? Let's find out through a journey back into time. 1950s laid the foundation of the new India. On January 26, 1950, the Constitution of India came into effect, making India a sovereign, socialist, secular, and democratic republic. Dr. Rajendra Prasad became India's first president and took oath at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel efforts integrated 562 princely states, ensuring India's territorial unity. And India's first Republic Day parade was held at Irvin Amphitheatre, now Major Dhyan Chand Stadium. The year 1951 was the year of first five-year plan. India set its economic vision focusing on agriculture, irrigation and infrastructure development. The year 1952, India conducted its first ever democratic election, becoming world's largest democracy. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first elected Prime Minister of India. In 1953, the first Indo in Pakistan train service Jodhpur Mail resumed, symbolizing diplomatic efforts. And the year 1956, the second five-year plan kickstarted India's transition from an agricultural-based economy to an industrial powerhouse. The year 1960s was a decade of wars, green revolution, and scientific progress. The year 1962, India fought bravely against China, highlighting the need for stronger defense. The year 1965, India successfully defended itself against Pakistan. And then Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri coined the term legendary slogan Jai Jawan Jai Kisan as India strengthened its both defense and agriculture. And then only the Green Revolution began, boosting food production and making India self sufficient in grains. The year 1969, was established, and India took its first step towards becoming a space superpower. The year of 1970s was the year of self reliance, wars, and nuclear power. The year of 1971, India helped Bangladesh gain independence. India fought the Indo-Pak War, liberating East Pakistan, now Bangladesh, in just 13 days. And then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi emerged as strong global leader. The year 1974, India conducted its first nuclear test in Pokhran 1, codenamed Smiling Buddha. This test made India a nuclear capable nation. The year 1975, India launched its first satellite Aryabhat, and India officially entered the space age. Year of 1980s was years of economic growth, space mission and cricket glory. In the year 1983, Kapil Dev's men defeated the mighty West Indies at Lord's and took the first Cricket World Cup. Year 1984, in a historic moment, Rakesh Sharma became the first Indian in space and told then Prime Minister Indira Gandhi, Sare Jahan se acha from space. The decade of 1990s was the years of economic liberation and India's global rise. In 1991, then Prime Minister Narasimha Rao and then Finance Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh introduced LPG reforms, opening India's economy to global markets. In the year 1998, Pokhran 2 was done, and the then Prime Minister Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji's leadership, India conducted five nuclear tests, and the year 1999, India successfully defeated Pakistan intruders in Kargil. The decade of 2000s was the year of digital revolution and global powerhouse. The year of 2008, Chandrayaan 1 discovered water on the moon, which was India's first lunar mission, which stunned the world with its groundbreaking discovery. Year 2011, MS Dhoni's iconic six makes history at Wankhede Stadium. And then 2010s. were the year of space dominance and technological advancement. Year 2013, Mangalyaan, India became the first country to reach Mars in one attempt, and it costed less than an Hollywood movie Gravity. In the year 2016, India became a global leader in digital transaction. And year 2019, even though the lander crashed, India gained valuable space expertise through Chandrayaan 2. The years of 2020s was the year of global leadership and future vision. 2023, Chandrayaan 3 landed on Moon's south pole, making India become the first country to reach the Moon's south pole. 2024, India became world's fifth largest economy, surpassing UK, and India still continues to grow. But what next? Vision for 2047. 2030, India's own space station is planned to launch, and year 2047, India aims to become a developed nation aiming for a 10 trillion economy and AI driven innovation. From a young nation to a global power, India's journey has been nothing short of legendary. But what do you think is India's greatest achievement? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to Sadhana Sutra for more amazing content on India's history, culture, and future.